My name is Marco Palladino. I'm the CTO and co-founder of Kong. Kong is a provider of modern API and AI infrastructure in the world. So we work with developers and organizations that need to connect software in a modern way, in a secure way, across API management, across ingress controllers, across service meshes, and across the new AI consumption they're generating. Well, when we look at APIs, we're really looking at the new internet as we know it. The internet that used to be made of websites and blog posts got replaced by APIs. Every digital application, whether we are ordering tickets online, whether we're ordering food, whether we are watching something online, everything is powered by APIs. APIs became the underlying backbone of the internet, and as such, they became critical and essential for pretty much every digital product and every digital experience that we are creating in the world. Being able to connect, secure, observe APIs, being able to improve the developer productivity when building or using APIs, it is essential for every team to be able to succeed in this digital world. And today we're also seeing how AI, by the way, it is also driven by APIs. So at Kong, we like to say the more AI and the more API, because effectively when we look at every Gen AI model, you can consume them through an API. So the number of APIs in the world and the traffic around the APIs, it's only increasing exponentially every time there is a new platform shift. Mobile, cloud, and today AI, they all generate more APIs. Now, Gen AI, it is a different type of API consumption because it's not your regular JSON API that we put in front of an API management solution. To be effective, it really needs to understand the semantic meaning of the prompts that are being requested. So it goes one step further into being able to support this special protocol, and which is why API management solutions are great for setting up access control tiers, but not so good into understanding the semantic meaning of what's being requested to AI. And that's why at Kong, we decided to also release what we call the AI Gateway, which is modern infrastructure for AI that works together with the API management solution, but it expands that API management solution with a full understanding of the L7 Gen AI protocol across one or more LLMs. AI obviously generates a world of opportunities. It opens up to a world of opportunities, but it also generates risks and it can generate concerns if you do not have the right infrastructure in place. And this is what AI Gateway is. For example, AI can be quite slow to process the prompts. It can be quite unpredictable, and that generates in an unpredictable end user experience. We provide, for example, semantic caching that allows us to semantically cache different prompts that are using different words but same meaning, to be able to then improve that experience and cut down the latency. For example, if I ask AI, how long does it take to cook steak? That's one prompt. And then I ask a new prompt, how long does it take to cook a filet mignon? Semantically, we could recognize these prompts as being identical because it is the same meaning, and we could be returning a cached response instead of generating a new LLM call. You see, all of these are part of a workflow that Gen AI requires in production so that we can grow that maturity to be able to then capture this new AI trend and being able to create these new AI applications. One day in the world, we're going to be provisioning AI employees that are going to be doing specific tasks that we assign them. We're going to be creating personalized, customized medicines. We're going to be creating videos from scratch based on what I would like to see in that specific given time with that specific storyline, and that will revolutionize Hollywood and the movie industry. AI, it is becoming the new platform, and every platform needs infrastructure. It is exciting and scary at the same time. You know, every time we get outside of our comfort zone, great things happen, and we really should look at AI as an opportunity for the organization to enter a new world of digital application interaction that didn't exist before. We are not only the viewers of this transition, but we are the builders of this transition. And so it is very exciting to be in this point in time in the history of the world where we're seeing the transaction to from a non-AI world an AI world. And this type of transitions only happen once and then never again. So we really are in a singularity in our history, in our lifetime, that will never repeat again. I hope you enjoyed this conversation. This was, again, Marco Palladino, CTO and co-founder of Kong. We're living very exciting times, and I'm very excited to build it with you.